Let's welcome Engineer Emmanuel for his presentation.
Thank you. Good day. Uh, my name is Engineer Emmanuel. I'm a representative of Dubeytron Technologies. Now, Dubeytron Technologies is one of the most renowned
Use your voice.
technologically inclined companies in Nigeria. We are into the sales and installation of solar generators, popularly known as solar inverters, inverter systems. We are into sales and installation of automatic changeover devices. We are really into the installation of CCTV surveillance camera systems. We are equally into the installation and configuration of all manner of embedded automatic control systems and all that. I'm here to introduce to you one of our most recent advancements in smart technologies. Now, with respect to response to COVID-19 pandemic, we've come up with a smart machine station that is capable of scanning every individual to display the temperature on the screen, was including several other parameters. The machine I'm talking about is this. This is a computer-aided design of the machine we are talking about. It's so advanced. It has several mind-blowing advanced features. So automated, very sensitive, and what have you. Now, this is the machine we are talking about. Now, this machine is capable of scanning you as an individual once you come close to it and display your temperature on the screen, including proximity. It equally measures the distance you are away from the machine at each point in time. Now, the machine is so advanced and sensitive to detect any abnormal temperature. Now, you must know that one of the underlying symptoms of COVID-19 pandemic is uh, running the temperature, that is abnormal temperature, or sometimes called fever or what have you. And the machine has been configured such that whenever it detects any abnormal temperature of an individual, it sounds an alarm system to alert the management and all that. Now, the machine, as you can see, I'm going to power the machine very soon.
The future.
The machine it uses is a dual power source machine. It uses AC power and equally an alternative backup power supply. Now, we are going to power this machine purely on DC. That is the alternative backup power supply we've configured for the machine. Now, the machine is capable of scanning you, like I said, to display your temperature on the screen and what have you, and equally displays other several important parameters on the screen. It equally has several reservoirs. It has a soap reservoir. It has water reservoir. It equally has sanitizer reservoir. Now, this is the soap section, this is the water section, this is the sanitizer or disinfectant section. Now, the machine is so configured that whenever any of the fluids is getting low, it shows you the percentage level of the fluid on the screen, such that you need not to worry yourself knowing the particular level the fluids are at each point in time. Now, should in case any of the fluids goes down to 25% or below, this LED here blinks. It blinks alternatively to show you that this particular fluid is getting low, to alert you as the operator, so that you know that you should be preparing your mind towards refilling the fluid. This LED here is for soap indicator when it starts getting low, 25% and below. This is for water. This is for sanitizer or disinfectant. Now, this is the signal LED, this is the power LED, and this is the mains power LED that indicates when the machines the system starts charging and all that. Now, shortly we are going to see a brief demonstration on the operation of the smart machine station. I'm going to show you how the smart machine station works in a jiffy. But before then, I will need to show you another feature the machine has. Now the machine, in case the water gets low and you need to refill it, you can easily unscrew this place and refill the water from this side. You can see the machine is well packaged that you don't need to worry yourself walking around and stressing yourself and how to go about refilling any of the fluids or whatever. Then for the soap and the sanitizer or disinfectant, you can always open up this chamber to get them refilled. Now the machine is so advanced that it has an activated tracking system. Very important. It is so protected that this machine cannot be stolen by anybody, even if it's stolen and is reported to us. We have a database whereby we can always track to know where our machines are for maintenance and all that, and to help the establishment where the machine was stolen from, maybe to recover the machine. And we can equally shut the machine down from our database, such that whosoever that must have stolen it to an unknown destination will not be able to use it. We shut it down from our database and help the establishment recover it. Now shortly, I'm going to power on the machine. I must show us that this is the mains power. I'm not going to plug this to anywhere to show you that the machine is purely running on alternative backup power supply.
Should I
Now
pause
I'm
it?
going to power the machine. Power the machine from the machine is on now. You can see what is displaying on the screen. You can see as the machine boots, you can see what it displays on the screen. As it boots, you can see what it displays on the screen, after which it starts initializing. Okay, this is the initialization stage. This LED is blinking to show you that there is signal. I started receiving signal already. Is now powered. Now the machine has started displaying all the necessary information: the temperature, distance you are away from the machine, humidity, speed of sound in air. It scans you. It's scanning because I'm so close to it. Like I said, whenever you are at certain distance, very close to the machine, as though you want to get your hands washed, it starts scanning. It displays equally the percentage of the soap, water and sanitizer, just like I said earlier. Now the machine is so sensitive that whenever I reach out my hands close to any of these sections, it discharges the fluid that is supposed to discharge at this point in time. Okay, let me show you. If you come close to the machine, all you need to do is you reach out to the soap section. As you can see, it discharges soap. And once your hand is still here, it times you and discharges the soap again. Now I can comfortably wash my hands. As you can see, my hands are already soapy. I will put my hands here as well, so such that the water will start coming out automatically. Water is expected to start coming out automatically. Okay, that's it. Now I can comfortably wash my hands. So you can see, I can comfortably wash my hands. After washing my hands,
Bring down your hand.
as long as my hands are in this place, the water times the operation and starts coming out to enable me to properly wash my hands very well. And after that, I reach out to the sanitizer section. Once you take your hands close to this place, the sanitizer dispenses automatically. As As you can see, let it come out again, as you can see, and it times me. After some time, if my hand is still there, it will discharge sanitizer again. See, so that I will properly get my hands sanitized. Now, like I said earlier, this is a smart, unmanned, smart, automated machine station. It's an unmanned machine station such that it's not operated by
So
any
you
other person.
thank them.
Now
Both of them.
is automated so that everything is purely automated. You don't need to touch the machine to do whatever. You don't need to touch it. Now, if I must, the thing is to if I must recommend any machine in response to COVID-19 pandemic, I must recommend this. I must recommend this machine station actually, because this is the best so far. I've not seen one that is like this. It has been highly configured. It has so many advanced features which I just mentioned few of them right now. You see, it has so many advanced features. Anytime, any day, Dubeytron Technologies still stands out to be one of the most renowned technologically inclined companies. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time as we show you more designs and more products from the same company, Dubeytron Technologies. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Quer dizer,